Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, it would be great if you click that button, subscribe to our channel, and also take time to click that bell icon for notifications. As you can see on the menu today, some lovely noodles. So we're doing chicken vegetable noodles. You can be using any vegetables you want. It's very, very easy. It's absolutely delicious. Of course, just going to take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients we're going to be using today for this really simple chicken vegetable noodles. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin strips. Onion, garlic, ginger, fresh chili, some green onions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Here I've got some soy sauce, a light soy, and then here I've got some oyster sauce. And then the vegetables, you can kind of be going with what you want. So obviously onions we're going to need, but then I'm using some carrots, some bell peppers and some cauliflower. And for our noodles are cooked already. I've got them right here. Take a look at those. I'm using those kind of really nice thin ones. You could be using something a bit thicker if you wanted. Let's get over to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I've got in there some sunflower oil. Now everything we're going to do is on a maximum heat. This is very high, so get your heat as high as you can. We're getting that nice and hot now. So we're going to start off by dropping in our ginger. I've got mine in sticks. You can chop that if you want. Then we're going to go with our onion. I'm using a white onion which I've chopped. You could use the red if you want and slice the onions, up to you. Chopped garlic. I'll leave all the measurements below in the text if you want to have a look. And then we're going to go in with our chicken. Like I say, chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut really nice and thin, maximum heat all the way here. We're going to go now for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving pretty much all the time. Now I'm very, very lucky that the cooker that I use here is super powerful. It really is like a jet engine. And you can see that it completely changed colour there, the chicken. Now what we're going to do is add your hardest vegetables first. In my case it's carrots, although I have cut them nice and small as you can see, and cauliflower. But think about mushrooms, broccoli, so many things you can get in here. Okay, maximum heat again. We're going to go for another 3 to 4 minutes, moving it all the time. Fantastic. So easy, so delicious. Okay, now let's get in my last vegetable, which is some bell peppers. Adds a nice little bit of colour. We're now going to add in that fresh chilli. Optional, I suppose. You might not have to do that if you don't fancy it. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of soy, oyster sauce. A little bit of water. I'm going to go for another sort of 2 to 3 minutes, stirring again all the time. Fantastic. Let's get a little bit of salt in, not too much because we've got the soy in there, some black pepper, generous amount of black pepper, and staying on this high heat, just want to kind of reduce that liquid down a little bit. And what that liquid's doing, that bit of water, is just kind of steaming out the vegetables. As you can see, it's starting to reduce down in size a little bit. So yeah, maybe another 90 seconds or so, and then that will be steaming out. Then we're ready for the noodles. Fantastic. Okay, we're ready for our noodles now. There's my cooked noodles. These are the type I'm using today. And what we need to do now, just for like 3 minutes, is work our noodles and vegetables together, staying on the heat that's very high, and we are pretty much done. Okay, just a little trick for you. Sometimes the noodles come in, depends on what type you use, come very, very long, like super long. So what you can do, just get some scissors in there and just give them a little haircut, and it makes it much easier to cook with. Off goes the heat, and as you can see, all that moisture's gone now, and we've got a lovely silky amount of the soy sauce and the oyster sauce on there. Lovely garlic and ginger. What I'm going to do here is get a little bit of green onion, mix that in, and we're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Chicken noodle love.